Who needs a stress ball when you could just, ooh. So I was having a little moment then. Hello, I'm Melissa Hemsley and I'm on the Waitrose channel, and I want to show you one of my favourite simple tray bake suppers. It's full of roasted veggies and halloumi, and it is a wonderful way to use up vegetables that need using up, because this food is too good to waste. Right, a recipe you're gonna love. This is a summer veg tray bake. It is super duper simple. It's a great way to sort of swoop through the fridge and make sure that nothing goes to waste. It's packed with colour, packed with veg, and very much packed with flavour. And the link to the full recipe is in the description. So I've got my peppers here. I've gone for 2 different colours of peppers. I'm just thinking, I think I've got a courgette that could definitely do with being used up. So I'll get that in. If in doubt, throw another vegetable in. And I'm just gonna spread it over 2 trays here, because it's really important that they're spread out. We get better roastedness. Did I make that up? We get better roast factor. We get better corners, we get better golden, crispy edges, and any leftover veg is very much gonna come in handy for a frittata perhaps tomorrow, or for, I don't know, you could toss this veg through a pasta salad, a lovely orzo pasta salad, or maybe you've got some leftover rice and you can just really be flexible with it, make it your own, have fun with it. So you can see here, look at all of this beautiful color, the reds, the oranges, yellow peppers would be lovely, yellow courgettes if you can get them, sweet cherry tomatoes, go for color, shove in whatever needs using up. I've got 4 fat garlic cloves here. Just throw them in, keep them unpeeled so that they don't burn. If you've got lots of garlic to use up, I recommend getting more garlic in, and then you can squidge it out when it's lovely and roasted and add it to mayonnaise and make garlic mayo and spread it on toast, and just garlic. You won't regret having leftover squidgy, lovely sweet garlic. Some nice olive oil. Don't be shy with it because you've got a lot of veg here. And then let's get some seasoning. Love my pepper. And then just dreaming here in East London of Greece, really. So my lovely wild oregano. This for me feels very sunshiny, feel good, and of course the halloumi is going to just be beautiful with it. So this dish really very much reminds me of summer holidays and 3-hour lunches. But this does not take 3 hours, it's very quick. So give it a little toss. There we go. And that looks good, doesn't it? Look at that, fantastic. Full of vegetables, full of color, and we're gonna create some great flavor in the hot oven. So hot oven for about 15 minutes. Oh, it's looking fantastic. We have got some excellent color. We've got some lovely, good, crispy edges now. I'm going to toss them all in together, and I'm going to layer even more flavor. We have got some butter beans here. Fantastic. Make sure you give them a drain first so that you don't have that excess liquid. And to add some more flavor, I've got some olives here, some little runaway olives, and I've got some sun-dried tomatoes. This would also be fantastic with capers, green olives. Get that all in there. It's like all my favorite pizza toppings, flavor bombs. Give it one more shake. And then actually, don't forget your lovely little smooshy garlics. If you remember, we put 4 in, so just have a little dig around. Where are you, my little garlic friend? There you are. Ta-da! Now these, as you can see, look at them, are just smooshy, soft and delicious. We'll come back to them later. Right, back in the oven. So while the flavors are all getting to know each other in the tray, I'm gonna make a little chili-honey drizzle. This chili-honey drizzle on a cheese toastie would be fantastic. It would be amazing on roast parsnips, roast carrots, delicious. Right, and you can really freestyle here. So you want like a big pinch of your oregano, a nice, generous pinch or tap of chili flakes. You want a little bit of salt and olive oil, and that's all you do. Just stir it together with a little dinky spoon. And it's sticky, sweet and salty and spicy and all that good stuff. Delicious. All right, the last, final, delicious stage. Look at that. That looks pretty good, doesn't it? So, let's get some beautiful halloumi on there. If you are plant-based or would like to do it with tofu, be my guest. And then scatter it round. Obviously, every corner has to get some halloumi because people will get very upset if they've got a side that doesn't have halloumi. And under the grill. That looks fantastic, doesn't it? And now, this lovely chili honey drizzle. And that is just adding that kick of chili, that little sweet touch, which is just gonna be so beautiful next to the halloumi. And then I've got my garlic, which I can, as I say, smoosh out. Look at that perfect, soft garlic clove. If you're stressed, just do a bit of this. Ooh. To be honest, everyone's gonna fight over that garlic now. And then just a little bit of parsley. This is just my dream summer lunch. There's so much veg in there. It was so easy. Now I get to eat. We've got gooey, crispy, lovely, golden halloumi. I'm gonna head into that corner there. I've got my peppers, my aubergine, my courgettes, and that lovely grilled halloumi on top. And you know what? I made it. So I'm gonna have one more piece of halloumi. I think you're absolutely gonna love this. Give it a go for a feel-good summer of cooking. Sorry, I randomly got into like book promo mode then, didn't I? And just swipe up to buy my book. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video and got some tips to take home into your kitchens. So if you'd like more of the same, hit the bell for notifications, subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you next time.